Coverage continues with CBS 2's Roseanne Tellez. She's live in Des Plaines where the rising waters are causing several shutdowns there. Roseanne.
That's right, including the shutdown of Campground Road. Take a look behind me. It is completely underwater. You can see from that clearance sign of 9 feet just how deep it is. But, you know, even roads without any water on them are closing in anticipation of potentially record-setting and still rising floodwaters. Empty picnic tables are underwater at the For Kids Only summer day camp off Algonquin Road. Just yesterday, it was filled with campers, and this 9-foot deep swimming pool was empty and under repair. Camp director said the whole site flooded in less than 24 hours. Dexter Corson lives a few homes away.
It's a travesty, but, you know, it's where you call home. You can't do but, you know, prep the best that you can for it, you know.
I've been laying sandbags personally for most of the day today.
In the nearby commercial district, sandbags surround Diamond Paint and Home Center.
We're extremely nervous, just having been through this several times before, and it's very disheartening because you don't want your business to shut down, and people need us in the neighborhood for their supplies.
In the store, they've cleared merchandise from lower shelves after taking in 4 feet of water back in 2013 flooding.
We just hope that it's not going to get us as bad as it has in the past.
But the sewers are full, and on nearby River Road, water's already in the roadway despite piles of sandbags and concrete barriers. Now, as you heard Steve mention, the Des Plaines River is expected to crest at 21 feet by Saturday. By comparison, the record, which was set in 2013, was 20.9 feet. So as one woman we talked to today put it, all we can do at this point is pray. Live near the Des Plaines River tonight in Des Plaines, Roseanne Tellez, CBS 2 News. Rob?
Yeah, well, they've certainly done everything else, so they might as well say a prayer or two. Thanks, Roseanne.